Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica, and for today I will have an unboxing. I hope everybody is doing great. I hope everybody has a great weekend. Also, it's a rainy day here, which I'm happy about because I didn't see rain since August last year. So it's been a while. It was about time. So happy with the weather. And now let's go with the unboxing. This time it's the Macy's box for March. So let's go ahead and see what's in this one. I didn't see the spoilers this month, so I have no idea what's in here. So here is the card for this month. As usual, it comes, this time we get a $10 coupon off for some reason, and also this one expires in May. I don't know why I never use those coupons, maybe because I'm not shopping at Macy's too often, but this time it's a $10 one, so it's great. You can get one of their beauty kits, like samples with this one. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what's in this month box. So here is the bag. Eat, Sleep, Glow. So in this month we have, as usual, the pink paper and the noise, of course. So yeah, let's go ahead and see this. The first item I see here, it's Estee Lauder Resilience Night Lift, a Resilience Lift Night, sorry, is this one. And this one is a face and neck cream, and looks like this. So yeah, happy about this one. I love Estee Lauder. The next little guy in here, it's SK2, if I'm saying this right. I heard many people talking about this one. It's facial treatment essence. It's a good size, a deluxe sample. I got some of this in the, I think in a Sephora limited edition bag or something like that. I didn't use it yet, but we'll try this and see. If you use it, let me know how this works. And I'm also happy to see that this one has an expiration date. No, it's not. It's just sample and the number. Anyway, the next product in here is from Clarins, and this one is Extra Firming SPF 15 Wrinkle Control Firming Days Cream. And here is the size of this guy. So this month I see we have 6 items. Probably every month we get 6 items. I'm not counting them because sometimes I'm missing them and I don't even pay attention. So with the Clarins, the Silky Moisturizing Cream helps to visibly firm, lift and minimize the look of wrinkles with a blend of natural botanicals. So to use, apply to face and neck each morning after serum. For the Estee Lauder, the Resilience Lift Night Lifting Face and Neck Cream helps to lift and firm, restore radiance while you sleep. So that's kind of all about the Estee Lauder. And the SK2 facial treatment is essence. And for the Estee Lauder, they say use as a hydrating mask, apply generously and leave on for 10 minutes. So yeah, we'll see. Anyway, The SK2 facial treatment essence, it says here, rich with vitamins, amino acids and minerals, this hydrating miracle water helps to transform skin tone, texture and radiance. Apply to both face and neck, pressing gently and evenly into skin until essence has soaked in. What I like, as I said before, I like the Korean routine. I love it. I like to use an essence before my serum. This is gonna be great to use it. So yeah, we'll see. The next item in here, it's from MAC, and this one is strobe cream. It's a small sample. This comes very often in boxes, and I heard people complaining about. It's strobe cream illuminating moisturizer, gives dull tired skin a soft glow with iridescent particles and antioxidants to brighten and clarify. Apply before makeup or mix with your moisturizer or foundation. So is the MAC one. Then we have here two more items. One of them is from Lancome. This is the Genifique Concentrate Activator. Is this one, and it's youth activating concentrate. I got a full size of this in a Lancome kit, but I didn't use it yet. Maybe I'll try the sample first. And this one, the best-selling serum, acts on the key signs of youth: radiance, elasticity, firmness, skin tone and smoothness. After cleansing, use as the next step in your morning skincare routine. So yeah, the last item in here, it's from Carolina Herrera, if I'm saying right, the Good Girl. It's a perfume sample. And about this one, it's a limited edition, both fresh light and moodily dark. This innovative fragrance captures the woman one rose, if I'm saying right, complexity with surprising and exceptional ingredients, created for Macy'E. So yeah, this is a limited edition for Macy'E. We'll see how this guy works. So far we have 6 items, great brands in here, high-end brands. This is why I'm keeping this these subscriptions. I'm gonna leave the website down below if you wanna check them, or if you wanna subscribe to their bag. So far we have this day cream from Clarins. We have the MAC strobe cream. We have the Good Girl from Carolina Herrera, if I'm saying right. We have the skin SK2, the serum, the Lancome serum, the Genifique, and also we have the Estee Lauder the Resilience Lift Night. So far I really like the bag this month. I think it's a good bag. Let me know, what do you think? If you have this subscription, please let me know what do you like from this bag, what did you try before and how they work for you. So yeah, that's kind of all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll have a very nice weekend, at least try to. So yeah, that's kind of all for now. I'll see you soon with another unboxing, because probably, actually not probably, the next week I will have more subscription coming, and also some other boxes that I purchased beside the subscriptions. So yeah, that's kind of all for now. Thank you so much for watching. You have a great day. Bye bye.